Friends, you all know how much progress has been made by science in today's time. The inventions made by science, which we call machines in common language, have made our life very easy. In today's time, machines do our small to big work comfortably and well, and the credit of all this goes to science. Science has made a lot of progress in the last few years, and many more is doing all the methods. Today science has found a cure for many diseases present in our body. From our journey to food, today if someone cannot see, then he can be given someone else's eyes by doing surgery. If someone's kidney is damaged, then a new kidney can be given to it. Today we can fly like birds in the sky with the help of an airplane, and not only this, in today's time, we can also see the world under the sea. The credit of all these inventions goes to the scientists, because they made so many good inventions which made our life easy. But friends, do you know the discovery that science is doing today was done thousands of years ago, and it was also used, such as the formula for the information of 9 planets from test tube baby, and even the distance from the earth to the sun. All these things was discovered before Christ. I knew, you can't believe it, but all this is true. And now you must be thinking that science has just started making so much progress. Till 100 years ago, there was neither electricity nor computer, nor there was so much advanced science. Then who were those people who discovered all this thousands of years ago? Then friends, do not worry. In our today's video, we are going to give you this information. Hello friends, we are Infogatha, and we present you all interesting topics like this, so do subscribe to our channel. Friends, in today's time, we all know that science has become very advanced, but thousands of years ago, it used to be even more advanced science. The inventions we have done today and which we are researching now, all was discovered thousands of years ago, and the answers to the questions which we do not even know yet, that science also knew about it, and that is Vedic science. This science was in India many years ago from today, and those who were knowledgeable about it, they knew that such things of this universe, about which we have just started knowing. So today we will tell you some such facts of Vedic science that will blow your senses. So watch this video completely. So let's start. First is solar system. Friends, we have been taught in history that the credit for proposing the heliocentric model of the solar system goes to Copernicus, but do you note that many thousands of years ago this information was already given in the Rig Veda, the oldest Veda of Hinduism. Second is Sushruta Samhita, the oldest medical and surgical encyclopedia. Sushruta Samhita was written by the sage Sushruta in the 6th century BCE, also considered the world's first human to perform surgery on humans. The Sushruta Samhita contains 1,120 diseases, 700 medicinal plants, 64 preparations from mineral sources and based on animal sources. Containing 184 chapters with descriptions of 57 preparations, the book also detailed on embryology, human anatomy, as well as instructions for venesection, patient position for each vein, and protection of vital structures. The oldest documented evidence of 9,000 years for the drilling of human teeth of a living person was found at Murgar, along with evidence of orthopedic surgery. Third is the distance between Earth and Sun. Friends, science has told us that the distance of the Sun from the Earth is 152 million kilometers, but in the Hanuman Chalisa written by Tulsidas, we have already come to know the distance of the Sun to the Earth. Friends, there is a story about Lord Hanumanji that when he was young, he was very hungry, and then he saw the sun, which he understood to be the fruit of mango, and went to eat it. Referring to this fact, Tulsidas Ji writes that Yug Sahastra Yojan Par Banu Lilio Tahi Madhur Fal Janu. Now according to Hindu Vedic literature, if it is tested, then 1 yuga means 12,000 years, Sahastra means 1,001, yojan means 8 miles. Now if it is converted into kilometer, then 12,000 times 1,000 times 8 is equal to 96 million miles. 1 mile equals 1.6 kilometer. 9.6 million multiplied by 1.6 kilometers equals 153.6 million kilometers, which is approximately the distance of the Sun. Fourth, the concept of cloning, test tube babies, and surrogate mothers. The world's first test tube baby was Louis Brown, who was born on July 25, 1978 in England. But do you know that the world's first test tube babies were already born at 7,000 years ago, and not 1 or 2, but 100 test tube babies together? It has been told in the Mahabharata that a body of meat was born from the womb of King Dhritarashtra's wife Gandhari. Those body of meat were divided into 100 parts and put in different containers. due to which 100 Kauravas were born. This is similar to today's cloning process. There is also a story that Lord Krishna's elder brother was thrown from the womb of his mother Devaki and was put in the womb of goddess Rohini, which tells about surrogacy. And from gravity to space and this universe, there is many such information about which we will talk further. But now the question comes that if India's Vedic science is so advanced, then why till today no one knows about it? Then friends, let me tell you that in the last 1000 years there have been many invasions in India, and those people not only robbed India but also caused a lot of damage to its knowledge. Not only that, at one time the world's largest university was in India and people used to come from all over the world, and those attackers had understood that even if we rob all the treasures of India, as long as they have their knowledge, we cannot spoil them, so they destroyed that university completely. In which such books of India were burnt, which if India had today, there would have been no one to look at India in the matter of science, and today perhaps India would have been the most powerful country in the world. So friends, this is done for today. Please share, like and subscribe to the channel.